Hey, Erica here. So I just wanted to show you all what my makeup looks like today. I did follow a Mua Blacswan, the lady that did Cardi B's makeup. I did follow her foundation routine today, like my little spin on it. But yeah.
Yo, hola, okay, hola. You see me looking pretty every time you scroll up. Might gotta let the blicky hit you if you stroll up. Now put your hands up, it's a hola. Run me the money, cause
I did use the Smashbox finishing spray before I started everything. And I finished it with this as well. I love it. It smells like summer. I did use different products than she did. Like she used LA Girl, which is one of my favorites. But I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills creams. Let me go grab them. I've been highlighting and contouring for years, and it has never come out this good. Or it's like I can't remember a time it came out this good. Earrings from Shein. Watch is Michael Kors. The vest is Shein also. But yeah, like I am so in love with it. It looks really, really good on camera. Not sure how it looks to another person looking at me, but I love how it looks on camera. This is definitely for camera. So I know why she's a celebrity makeup artist. Anyways, so let me just go in the order I put them in and the alternatives to her products. So she mixed a NYX foundation with a Becca foundation. I just used my BareMinerals BB cream for the foundation. For the concealer, I used cream in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. For contour, I used the cinnamon. Or no, I didn't use cinnamon. I used chocolate and ash brown, as well as for my eyebrows also. So that's what I did first. I did the foundation first, then the concealer, then my eyebrows. Then for the eyeshadows, I did use the Naked Smoky palette, along with the original Naked palette. And then on my eyes, I do have gel eyeliner, which is by Pretty Vulgar. I'm wearing my Mink Lashes that I got from Amazon. The mascara is Wander Beauty. And the adhesive I used was the Tarteist Pro adhesive. It came in a little package. And for setting powder, I do have translucent powder, but I hate it. So I just used the color Halo and let it sit a little bit. I put it here, a little bit on my nose, like a teeny tiny bit, and then my chin, just how she did in her foundation routine / highlight and contour routine. Now today I did use the cream contours before I did that, and I kind of followed her foundation routine for the highlight and contour. I didn't follow everything exactly because I feel like it would have taken me way longer than it should have, but I'm happy with the results. I really am. And who knows, it would have been a lot better if I took even more time. For the blush, I put on after my lipstick. I am wearing Bite lipstick that came in a 4-pack, 4 little bites. And then I put the lip injection gloss over it. I love glossy lips. And then I used Note blush with this brush I got from TJ Maxx. But yeah, and I did put in my curly hair. I've had this hair for a while, but it's so faithful to me. Like I've had it for at least a year, but I don't wear it all the time. And I just was feeling like with this fur vest, I just felt like wearing curly hair today. I'm wearing black jeans, and I'm getting my nails done, hopefully. So I'm just so excited. I really like how it looks. I'm so excited because I'm like, oh my god, it looks really freaking nice. Oh, this is the powder contour shade that I used. Was the same one, the ones that match. And I did use she talks about transition shades, so I did that as well. I used Angle, and then I did add a little bit of sparkle above the blush. And it was Crown, just a teeny tiny bit, not too much. Like she does like quite a bit. And then of course my eyes look different than her eye tutorials and stuff, but that's just my little spin on it. But yeah, I'm excited. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Bye. And this is my first time ever trying one of her tutorials. Bye!
With this Tarte gloss on top. And this Estee Lauder lipstick. Looks way better. That Krispy Kreme, and I asked the guy, I was like, are y'all allowed to touch donuts without gloves on? He's like, no. I was like, oh, well, he did. He was such